Fáilt go dtí blog. Tá an seo neang nálamh sa Café Coffee Working Press leis an ceoltóir Líse.
Least I know there won't be fights if I know.
Ceachaí má tú bheith casa i do chathain.
Is your Holland. I mean, we man show a couple or casa de Bonnie killed edits on the sports low. August vision holds us with ach new reckon on show lam on. So we might get with the we my history guni got in the show and show turn shots and show come to go blog clear what comes to girl who echo so there's a dash in the
Agus ceachair an again trú go dtí seo.
Come on, we should attacker. I mean, some of the goonies and everything different, you know. Come on, the kind of like start to agree, in hein like as comments and horror flannel. I mean, the man go over the old immersion like as the Jean's asked about who's in salsa because that casa around new, nach casa let them keep and every so the Jean's asked go like as kind of reaction to that kind of thing like as non-vet Constantine Haitian shows for all machine. That's my sister geisio like your culture distinta agus we met Shineson and Vital agus Peacebugger and piano agus a guitar agus hannig my task Kate Bush agus Glordini agus Lishin agus Stevie Nicks was we met gumi gol it's ro raw atá different agus canal eigsúil agus in sin we met like we should we met gumi gur canal koshin na casa agus vi ma gona géis le papa gan á céine, so bhí cinál máscán an sin agus tháinig mai teas na cúpla sint agus bhí mar sin agus dahar me cinál ó folk go cinál folk pop agus an sin leag mai sios an guitar agus dahar sé seach cinál ceol 80s pop sin cinál an ceoltá na sean san éis. Tá mai gona is sa studio a frí láthair agus tá mai scríomh ar antá cinál difriú le chomh héal. Kinal mohinche mar an geol is kinal authentic. Chomste na ein geol ele mar gona sauce agus an ceol sauce agus tá man sin nach flesh so you know héis vet an regular show to man an echo go mar just a gear dasní so glordini ele gear dasní so to sé das kinal nu rudi nachhfuil kinal das go rudi ziel chuach an aran is sna vocal like an sin kill intach das fun or simple the shot ass yeah the really awesome kill show but really good yeah it's all